Hi everybody, welcome back. And today we will learn lesson 46. Can you? Sağ yaxshimizlar. Hamsa bugun deganki 46 dersi. Demak, bu 45 ders o'rgangan bir necha muhim nuqtalarni takrorlab o'tamiz. So, can you dedi. So, new words first. You know, lift. Lift. Okay. And birinchi so'zni bersanlar lift. Good. Lift. Actually, lift. Nice, yaxshi. Lift. Good. And the lift deganimiz nima desanlar? Ko'tarmak. Qaranglar, bu nima ko'tarayotibdi? Og'irlikni. Buni weight lifting deymiz, nima? Okay. For example, look, can you lift this chair? Bu o'rindiqni qanday qilamsiz? Ko'tara olamsiz? Can you lift this chair? Can you lift this chair? You know, I can't lift that chair, but I can lift this case. Men o o'rindiqni ko'tara olmayman. Biroq I can lift, men ko'tara olaman this case. Endi bu chamadonni. Demak, men o'rindiqni ko'tara olmayman, lekin bu chamadonni ko'tara olaman. Chamadonni ko'tara olaman. Okay. Next one is cake. Yaxshi. Cake. Look, you know, what does the cake means? Sağlaşlar, cake deganimiz nima? Masalan, musharaka tort degan gap, cake. 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 And to make a cake. Tort qanday qilmoq? Yasamoq. Make a cake. Masalan, that is a nice cake. Wow, o'yindan yaxshi bo'lgan bir nima ekan? Tort ekan. Cake. A piece of cake. Okay, and the piece of bir parcha tort degan gap bor. Ingliz tilida a piece of cake. Asan qova, asan. And o'ng'ay asan ishlarni deymiz, a piece of cake deymiz. Or tekshirlar so it's a piece of cake for me. Or u degan asanlamish qova, shamaqli o'timiz. Shunama. And again, time asash a piece of cake. Dem xuddi piece of cake bir og'iz silib lab yutimiz qo'y, time asan ish. Shuning o'xshash hamda piece of cake deganimiz hamda asan degan gap. Okay, and buni orasichanda jinsin orasi tuzib qolsak nima? She's making a chocolate cake. She's making a chocolate cake. And u nima ish qilyapti? Bir shokoladlik tort yasab. She's making a chocolate cake. She's making chocolate cake. Okay, next one is biscuit. Xo'sh, endi what about this biscuit? Biscuit deganimiz shu pechenye pranik. Biscuit. Biscuit deb o'qib oldik ana bola. Biscuit emas, biscuit. Actually, biscuit. Okay. You know, he likes biscuit, but I don't. O pechenye kamroq, lekin men emas. Okay, mening demakchi, xo'sham yo'q. Okay. So let's have some biscuit. Okay, you know, bir pechenye ila. Let's have some biscuit. Let's have. Shunama. Okay, good. Next one, do you give her a biscuit? Unga pechenye beringizmi? Degandek. Xo'sh, endi written exercise qaranglar, bu intayin muhim. Buni ulgu qilib ishlaymiz. Qaranglar. Masalan, we are coming now. Deganda we can come now. Biz hozir kelsak bo'ladi deganimiz kerak ekanmiz. Xo'sh, endi ing qatqanda ko'pinchisi oxir i bilan oxirlashgandan keyin i'ni elib ing qatib. Endi asli fe'lning asli qaytarishni bersanlar, ingni elib etganda i'ni qatib qo'ydigan gap. Undan keyin canning keyindan cho'qim fe'lning asli shakli keldi. Masalan, he is taking his book. Endi u kitobni olib ketib bordi, yeyotdi degan nima deymiz? He can take his book. Yana-chi? Masalan, she's putting on the coat. She's putting on her coat. Endi u paltorni kiyotdi. And u kiyalaydi desakchi, she can put on her coat. You know, we are coming now. Biz kiyotimiz. We can come now. Shunami? You know, he's sitting on the grass. Ular chimliqni ustida o'tirib. And they are o'ttasi bo'ladi degani. He can sit on the grass. Okay. He can sit on the grass. Okay, next one is write the question and the answer using I, he, she, it, we, or they larni ishlatib hamda ishlattirganmiz. Masalan, qaranglar, can you put on your coat? Desa, yes, I can. What can you do? Desa, I can put on my coat. Deydi. Agar demak hamda men oyni ishlatib shuna. Demak buni o'lga qilib, masalan, can you put on your coat? Siz hamda paltoringizni kiya olamsiz? Yes, I can. What can you do? I can put on my coat. Men qanday qila olaman? Paltorimni kiya olaman. Can Penny wait for the bus? Penny nima saqlab tura olammi? Can Penny wait for the bus? Nima? Can Penny wait for the bus? Hamda nima deydi? Avtobusni saqlab tura olammi desa, nima? Yes, she can. And what can she do? What nima ish qila oladi desa, she can wait for the bus. And the avtobusni saqlayadi. She can wait for the bus. Can the cat drink its milk? Mushukning sutini ichadimi? Yes, it can. What can it do? It can drink its milk. And u sutni qanday qiladi? Ichalaydi. Demak anda shu ikki uch misolga asosan sizlar oxirini kitoblarni birdan ishlanglar. Ishlab bizga ematib bersangiz biz to'g'rilab beramiz. All right, guys, that's all for today. See you next time. Goodbye.